Ericka, my whimsical wildflower.
Thomas, my love.
I vow to continue loving you,
Not for what we will acquire together,
not for what we will accomplish together,
and not for what we will achieve together,
but solely based on the love that Christ has called us to.
And I bought him a Lego set, so that says anything about our relationship.
Thomas, marriage with you is such a gift, far beyond my sweetest daydreams. It hasn't been perfect, but continually discovering little details that reveal just how well God made us for each other, the ways you constantly encourage and support me, the way you fill my life with music, insightful questions, and laughter. I can't imagine doing life with anyone but you.
Ericka, this past year, though difficult at times, has been the best year of my life. Not because everything went according to my plan, but because through our marriage, I've seen the joy of the Lord endure hard things. Having you as my wife and partner and my teammate this past year, we've been able to search together for the small moments of God's redeeming story, even in the mundane.
Do it again! I love this dress so much. Although I will not lie, I have put it on more than once.
One of the first things that Ericka taught me was working hard and never giving up. Ericka was so smart academically, but also excelled at tennis, and I always strive to be like her in that way. She also taught me how to be strong and push yourself. I remember you, Ericka, always running after tennis practice just to go to the extra mile, and that's just who you were. But most importantly, you taught me how to love well. I know no matter where I am, I can always call you. I know you will never miss my birthday, and I'll always receive a long note with your tiny lettering each time, and I know that if I ever need your help, you will always offer.
You playing?
There we go. Yeah, count cards over there.
Usually this is the part of speech where I might say nice things about your character, Thomas, and in turn bolster your confidence, Ericka, that you have married the right man, etc., etc. But by this point, you have both survived a pandemic together, planned a wedding 4 times, adopted 3 cats, quarantined and worked at home remotely together, all in the first year of marriage. So I think you're doing pretty great so far.
All right, so you guys got to do this already last year, but we don't have like an official pronouncement. We'll say their name in just a moment, but we do want to say, Thomas, you may now kiss your bride.
As you know, our plan was for this celebration to have taken place about this time last year, but that was not God's plan. As parents, we couldn't change the circumstances, yet watching these two process and reprocess what was happening and what to do, it wasn't hard to find the beauty that came from the ashes. In the same manner that we experienced these disappointments last year, we have seen answer after answer to our prayers for this year. We thank God for His goodness, faithfulness, and for the lessons we have learned.
By the way, their name for another time we get to say is Mr. and Mrs. Thomas and Ericka Humbert. Woo!